Someday I'll rest by the sea, where the lights of the Taj will shine for me. Before I die, just one night I'll stay there, where life itself will embrace me with care. Whether you arrive at Terminal 1 or Terminal 2 of Mumbai Airport, it will take you at least 40 minutes by cab to reach the iconic Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your first glimpse of Mumbai as you drive past the city's vibrant streets on your way to this legendary landmark. There are two Taj hotels located side by side in Colaba, Mumbai. The Taj Mahal Palace, often called the Old Wing, is the heritage building that opened in 1903 and is world famous for its royal architecture and sea-facing rooms. Next to it stands the Taj Mahal Tower, the newer section built in 1973, offering a more modern stay experience while still sharing the same iconic location and hospitality. Both hotels overlook the Gateway of India and are managed together as the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel is located right on the Arabian Sea, offering stunning ocean views. Just steps away from the hotel stands the Gateway of India, one of Mumbai's most iconic landmarks. Together they create one of the most beautiful and historic sites in the city. In this video, I'll give you a complete room tour of the Taj Mahal Palace and Tower, Mumbai, along with the price of each room category, updated date-wise so you'll know exactly what to expect before you book. Moving ahead, we're about to step into a place that's part of every Indian's dream, whether rich or poor, to stay here at least once in a lifetime, or even just to enjoy a cup of tea at the legendary Taj Mahal Palace. Now let's take a closer look at the inside of the Taj Mahal Palace and explore its grandeur, elegance, and timeless charm. The Taj Mahal Hotel was commissioned by Jamsetji Tata and opened its doors to guests on the 16th of December, 1903. Category 1. Luxury Grande Room, City View, King Bed. Experience refined elegance in this 355 square foot room, featuring a king-size bed and a stunning view of the city skyline. Check the description below for the latest offers and room price details. Category 2. Luxury Grand Room, no window, palace wing. Experience the serene sanctuary of these expansive, windowless rooms located in the historic palace wing of the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. These rooms are designed to offer complete peace and quiet, perfect for those seeking undisturbed rest after a long journey. Even without windows, the elegant interiors, rich fabrics, and classic design transport you to an era of timeless luxury, right in the heart of Mumbai. Check the description below for the latest offers and prices. Category 3. Taj Club Room, Sea View, Palace Wing. Perched on an elevated floor, the Taj Club Room unveils panoramic views of the Arabian Sea, inviting you to soak in Mumbai's majestic coastline from the comfort of your room. Adorned with heritage-inspired decor, it seamlessly blends classic elegance with modern sophistication. Enjoy exclusive Taj Club privileges, including access to the club lounge, where you can relax with premium beverages, private check-in facilities, and personalized services. At the Taj Mahal Palace, this is more than just accommodation. It's an experience of royal living by the sea. Check the description below for the latest offers and room prices. Palace Wing. Step into the executive suite, an impeccably designed one-bedroom retreat overlooking the vibrant cityscape of Mumbai. Spread across spacious living and bedroom areas, this suite offers the perfect balance of comfort, sophistication, and style. Experience the legendary Taj hospitality right in your room, or head to the exclusive Taj Club Lounge to enjoy daily privileges, all with our compliments. It's your private haven of luxury in the heart of Mumbai's most iconic landmark. Check the description below for suite prices and special offers. Category 5. Grande Luxury Suite. 1-bedroom sea view. Palace wing. Overlooking the serene Arabian Sea, the Grande Luxury Suite is a masterpiece of timeless elegance and heritage charm. Each suite is individually themed, featuring spacious living, dining, and bedroom areas adorned with exquisite vintage furnishings and classic decor. Enjoy every modern luxury while being pampered by the legendary Taj hospitality that defines this historic palace. It's not just a stay, it's a journey through Mumbai's royal legacy, where comfort meets grandeur at every corner. Check the description below for exclusive offers and suite prices. Surrounded by iconic heritage architecture, this crystal-clear pool offers the perfect escape from the city's buzz. Whether it's a refreshing morning swim or a calm evening by the water, every moment here feels royal. You can enjoy handcrafted cocktails, light bites, and the soothing sea breeze that flows in from the Arabian Sea. Just steps away lies the exclusive Taj Club Lounge, an elegant retreat where guests unwind with premium beverages, evening canapes, and personalized service, all while gazing at the panoramic sea view. The pool and lounge at the Taj Mahal Palace aren't just amenities, they're experiences of timeless luxury and royal comfort. Step into the world of luxury at the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai, where iconic brands await you. From Burlington to Louis Vuitton, these top designer labels offer an unparalleled shopping experience right inside this historic palace. Whether you're hunting for timeless fashion pieces or exclusive accessories, you'll find everything under one luxurious roof. Luxury, heritage, and style all come together at the Taj Mahal Palace boutiques. Don't forget to explore them on your next visit. This world-class salon offers a range of services, from hairstyling and treatments to manicures, pedicures, and rejuvenating spa therapies. Using premium products and expert techniques, every treatment is designed to leave you feeling refreshed, polished, and pampered. Whether it's a quick touch-up or a full makeover, the Taj Mahal Palace Salon ensures a luxury experience you'll never forget. Treat yourself to elegance, right in the heart of Mumbai. From delicate pastries and handcrafted chocolates to exquisite cakes, every creation here is a masterpiece of taste and design. Whether you're picking up a sweet treat to go or enjoying an afternoon indulgence with coffee, La Pâtisserie promises unforgettable flavors and luxurious presentation. Treat yourself to a slice of luxury at La Pâtisserie, because at the Taj Mahal Palace, even desserts are an experience. Gazdar, Rolex, and Dia brands, offering an unmatched shopping experience right inside this historic palace. Whether you're looking for timeless fashion pieces, exquisite watches, or exclusive accessories, these boutiques bring the world of luxury to your fingertips. From heritage to haute couture, the Taj Mahal Palace combines luxury, style, and convenience for every discerning shopper. We are partnered with Make My Trip and Taj Hotels. You can book with us. DM me directly for any inquiry. Details are in description. Please like, share and subscribe channel Travel Jan by Gobhe Holidays.